Alright, so first thing you do is open Betaflight. That's connect. Go to the CLI and type diff, D-I-F-F. Hit enter and copy everything out of the command line. Just copy all of this. Alright, after you copy all that, disconnect. Then you go over to Butterflight. Then once you go over to Butterflight, you connect. Alright, it's going to give you this. All you do is close this. Then hopefully when I type BL, it'll go into bootloader mode. Hit enter, type BL, hit enter. And it didn't go into bootloader mode. So let's try it one more time. Let's go over to Betaflight and connect. Hold on. I'm gonna unplug it and plug it back in the computer. Alright. Now I'm gonna connect to Betaflight. I'm gonna go to the CLI and type BL and hit enter. Okay, so you use Betaflight and it went into DFU mode. Now go back over to Butterflight and it's in DFU mode. Now you go to Flash firmware flasher. Click on that. Alright, choose your board. I'm using the CLF4. CLF4 Racing, click on that. Choose the newest version, 3.4.0. Then load firmware. It says downloading. Alright, then click on flash. Okay, it's flashing. Okay, after it finished flashing, the COM port will come back, you connect. And alright, then you go to the CLI command. Then in the CLI command, you paste your settings that you took out of Betaflight, paste, hit enter. And it writes your settings to Butterflight. Okay, then type save, just like with Betaflight, hit enter. Okay, so now all your settings have been set. Hit connect. Okay. Now go down to the CLI, type diff, then hit enter, and that's all your settings out of Betaflight. Okay. So half the battle is over. Now what you want to do is disconnect, and you got these settings right here that you want to use. It says starter settings for butter, so you want to follow these right here. Set D-term, feature air mode, feature anti, feature dynamic, and the fast Kelman, and hit save. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go in here and just check them. PT1, air mode, anti, and dynamic. I'm gonna check those first. I normally always use those. So you go to configuration, okay, go to configuration, go down here, that's where I check it at, and you can see all those are already enabled. Air mode, OSD, anti-gravity, dynamic filter. Then go over to PID tuning, and I'm going to go ahead and change my rates. This is what I use. You can use whatever you want to. Alright, so these are the rates I use. I use RC rate. Save. Alright, hit save. I'm just going to check, make sure it's saved. Okay, it just saved. Alright. It's running. It's a little bit slow. I don't know if it's my computer or what. Alright, profile 2. Taking a minute. Anyway, let's just go back out and come back to this. Alright, make sure that it's on the right settings. Alright, give it a minute. Okay, now go back to PID tuning, make sure the settings were saved. It's running a little bit slower than normal. Okay. And okay, all my settings are where they want them to be, so I'm gonna go back to profile 1. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna disconnect, reconnect, so hopefully it'll speed it back up. Disconnect. Alright, give me a second. I'm gonna unplug, plug back in, and I'm gonna close Betaflight. Alright, now reconnect. Let's see if it goes faster. Alright, go to PID tuning. Still taking a while. Alright, so go back to profile 1. Okay. Alright, so now we got, let's see what we got. PT1 is already set. Now I'm gonna disconnect, and I'm gonna add this filter. So just copy this filter right here. Hold on. Copy this filter setting right here. Well, if it wants to get copied. Hold on. We're gonna copy this. Copy. We're gonna connect. Then go down to the CLI, and then you're gonna paste it. Paste the command. Hit enter. And then type save. And then hit enter. Okay. Alright, then you're gonna go out and fly a pack, see what goes on, see if it does something crazy or not. Alright. Then you're gonna come here, copy this one, hit copy, and you're gonna connect. Still waiting for it to connect. Let's see. Alright, hold on. It's having a problem connecting. Let's try hit connect again. Okay. Now you can go back to the CLI. You're gonna paste that setting. Paste. Hit enter. And then type save. Then hit enter again. Okay. Then unplug your board and plug it back in. Alright, then you're gonna go down to this last setting. Then you're gonna go out and fly a pack. My bad. Go out and fly a pack. Make sure ain't nothing weird going on. And then you're gonna go right here to set gyro filter R equals 88. And you're gonna copy that. Connect your board. Taking a while to do it. I don't know why. Hold on, let me hit connect again. Alright, there we go. Go back to the CLI, paste the setting, hit enter, type save, hit enter again. Okay, then you're gonna go out and fly a pack, see what happens. Now, what you wanna do, go to CLI, type diff, hit enter, and just see, look at all your settings. Make sure all your settings are right, whatever you use. And you can see the fast Kelman filter, however you pronounce it. You can see the air mode, anti-gravity, and dynamic. Alright, and then that's pretty much how you go to Butterflight. It's really just that simple. And it flies great.